Notification volume 0%.
Good afternoon, and welcome to Blind Prime Shorts. I'm your host, Blind Prime. For today, we're going to be doing a size comparison of Maggot from Marvel Legends Bonebreaker wave to the BAT, the Battle Assault Trooper from the G.I. Joe Classified wave. Let's do a back-to-back comparison. Good old back-to-back comparison. Let's see, in the back-to-back comparison, Maggot is taller than the Bat. We finally have it, guys and gals. We finally have it. Maggot is taller than Bat. Look at them. Do a nice side-by-side. Maggot's shoulders are crazy big in comparison to the Bat's shoulders. That's wild. That's craziness. Thanks for watching, and please tune into my channel, blind_prime, for full in-depth reviews. Man, Maggot,